little artists! Are you ready to draw something fun and colorful today? Let's create a rectangle rainbow POPIT toy together. Grab your black markers, and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a big rectangle in the middle of our paper. This will be the main shape of our POPIT toy. Now, divide the rectangle into 6 equal parts by drawing 5 horizontal lines across it. These sections will hold our POPIT bubbles. Great! Wow! Next, let's fill each section with small circles. These will be our POPIT bubbles. Draw them evenly spaced in each section. Our drawing is complete. Let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Looking awesome, isn't it? Now it's time to bring our POPIT toy to life with some bright rainbow colors. Here are our color pens. Purple color for the top section. Wow! Blue color for the next section. Color for the middle section. Awesome! Yellow color for the next section. Color for the next section. Cool! Red color for the bottom section. Wow! Our POPIT toy looks fantastic with all these beautiful colors. Great work, little artist! Your rectangle rainbow POPIT toy looks amazing. Keep practicing and making wonderful art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.